If pallets are not handled carefully, they will get damaged, leading to damage to goods and even injuries to workers down the line. Here, we look at some of the common bad practices that should be avoided. Never push a pallet with a forklift. This will cause immense stress to the pallet structure, possibly resulting in damage to the timber components and potentially floor. This is especially true of loaded pallets. Pinwheeling refers to pushing on one corner of the pallet to twist it and change its orientation. Avoid doing this as it creates force on a small area and causes pallet frames to weaken or break. Pallets should always be lifted for turning and not dragged. Never insert forklift lines only partially into the pallet openings. This is called short forking and results in poor weight distribution and high risk of damage. Always insert lines fully for optimum stability and safety. Ensure forklift lines are spread properly. If spread too wide or too narrow, they don't allow proper weight distribution from the load to the handling equipment, resulting in an excessive amount of strain being placed on the pallet frame. Do not approach a pallet too fast. This leaves less time to align forks with the pallet openings and can result in shattering the frame or destabilization of the load. It might seem like common sense to uniformly load a pallet so the weight is evenly distributed, but unfortunately this isn't always the case. Placing too much weight at one edge or even in the pallet's center can cause the framework to collapse. Pallet loads may need to be secured. No one method works for all loads, but at least this should be taken into account and an informed decision made. Pallets should be inspected before being put into use. In an exchange pool, used pallets could arrive that may be damaged, or nails may start to protrude after some use. Employees should be trained in what to look for. Do not throw pallets. In busy loading hubs, it may be necessary to get pallets into place quickly, but throwing them can cause obvious damage. Pallets are designed to be stacked, including when loaded. Misalignment is the most common problem in stacking, followed by overloading.